I actually went ahead a little bit so I could put the mushroom pasta together that I was showing you. But these are the ingredients. They're really, really basic. The trick was that I actually cooked a pasta in, you can cook it in any kind of broth, like a chicken broth, a vegetable stock broth, whatever you want. But all it is, I brought, you know, and portobello mushrooms, they're really in at the moment and they look great in the shop. So I used portobello mushrooms, garlic, salt, pepper, and an onion. And then we just put like a little bit of cheese on the top. My dad actually did this recipe a long time ago. And, you know, when I was over there at Christmas, he made it for me. And I said, I'm going to make this for the class because it was really, really good. All right, so I sauteed my mushrooms, onions, and garlic with a little bit of salt and pepper. As you see, it's all ready to go. Now I have pasta here. My pasta's ready, but I'm going to add just a little bit of the juice from the, because it makes it thicker. Rather than using cream, I use the pasta water to give that chicken, you know, to give this a bit of a creamy taste without using heavy creams and all that. So we're gonna bring that to, you know, like the mushrooms have all been sauteed. Now we're gonna add, if I can do this without, I'm gonna use that pasta. So it doesn't matter if we get the liquid in there because that's exactly what we want. Mix that around. I'm going to put it in the dish in a minute, add a little bit more broth. And what I'm going to do is put it in a bowl so I can toss it properly. Now, if you'd like at this point, you can actually put some cheese, Parmesan cheese. See all that good stuff going in there? You get a spoon.
Yeah, get everything go. A mushroom from the pan.
Yeah, exactly. Nice and thick at the bottom. And why are, you know, mushrooms are actually a bit of a superfood, they're saying right now. They're rich in, they're low in calorie. It's a source of fiber, high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals.
Just have calcium.
Yeah, mushrooms, great. They might not be good for you. Make sure you're in a proper shop.
Yeah.
Right. So this part I would put the cheese, but I'm going to leave this one vegan. No cheese. Okay. And I'll show you the end result. I'm going to push that to the side. So this is the end result for the pasta with the cheese. As you see. Right now I'm going to do a quick salad dressing because I made a balsamic vinegar this morning. I got it nice and creamy. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy, really quick. No store-bought anything. All right, so I have garlic. I'm going to put some olive oil. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Some balsamic vinegar. Oil and vinegar don't mix until I mix it. I've got some Italian seasoning. Half a mustard. A quarter of a teaspoon. I just guessed that. And it's like a little tiny spoon of honey. I'm using half a teaspoon here if I can get it off. Yeah, let me use the other spoon to get it out. Some pepper. And a little bit of salt. Let me just grab the salt. Have in here. 2 teaspoons of salt. So I'm gonna blend it. I made a mess. Don't you see? You've got a nice thick creamy dressing in there. Okay, I made one earlier. So we'll just put that over our salad. See, it's nice, thick and creamy. You just put up the scallops. And that is not store-bought. That is
the real deal.
real deal. All right, so that's the salad and the pasta dish done. Okay. Now, I did do a water of the week because we actually had a class on liver this week, and a very dear friend to Smart, she's actually an advisory board member, Rosa Donahue. Years ago, she taught me how to make this, and she said it's a good liver cleanse, and it's actually whole lemons, olive oil, and pineapple juice, or you can use apple juice, whatever you have. And I kind of looked at first, thinking, oh, that's going to be like sharp and all that, but it actually tastes really delicious. I was going to make it, but I needed the blender for the salad dressing this morning. So I'm just going to show you how I got it like that. There's the lemon cleanse. I made it this morning. I put some ice cubes in there. But after you blend everything, including the whole lemons, you're going to put it through a sieve. And you're going to drain it.
Okay. The whole thing.
The whole thing, everything. The olive oil, you know, pour the juice in the blender with the whole lemons, put a couple of ice cubes to make it nice and cold, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Actually tastes delicious. Everyone loves it in my house. So that's a great
beautiful
recipe.
Yeah.